Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah Ibrahim with a student ID number 441420013 and I'm from Chemistry Education A. On this occasion, I will explain about the practicum of Module 6 and synthesis of manganese and manganese 3 compounds. Objective, synthesis of manganese 4 and manganese 3 compound. Experimental work scheme, manganese compound. The first start and test tube 1 mix 5 milli 0.01 molar potassium mangan oxide with 2.5 milli 1 molar sulfuric acid and next add a little mangan oxide, then shake it, and then filter the solution and product purple filter paper and finish. And the manganese 4 compound start test tube 2 1 mix 5 milli 0.01 molar potassium mangan oxide with 2.5 milli 1 molar potassium hydroxide, and next add a little mangan oxide, then shake it, and next filter the solution and product dark green filter paper and finish. And experimental work scheme 2 manganese 3 compound. Start the first weighing 0.5 grams of manganese sulfate, then react with 2 milli of 1 molar sulfuric acid, and 2 add 10 milli drops on concentration sulfuric acid, and 3 cool with cold water, and 4 add 5 drop of 0.1 potassium mangan oxide, and 5 mix in 10 ml of distilled water, and next observe the change that occurs, and the product color brown solution and finish. And then discussion. Mangan is a chemical element that has an atomic number of 25 and has the symbol Ml. Manganese metal is grayish white. Manganese include heavy metal and is very fragile but easily oxidized. Manganese metal and ion are paramagnetic. Think this can be seen from the fully charged the orbital in the electron configuration. This experiment aims to study manganese making 4 and manganese making 3. In the first experiment, manganese 6 was made. First of all, insert 5 milli kali potassium manganese oxide 0.01 molar into 2 test tubes that have been labeled tube 1 and tube 2. Then add 2.5 milli of sulfuric acid 1 molar solution to test tube 1 and 2.5 milli of potassium hydroxide solution into the test tube 2. It aims to perform a reaction to the formation of manganese compound 4 in an acidic and alkaline atmosphere. After adding in acidic solution and a base solution, reinsert a little manganese oxide into each test tube and then shake. And potassium mangan oxide solution, which was originally the purple, after adding sulfuric acid solution and potassium hydroxide, concentration decreased. After adding mangan oxide, the color of the solution in the test tube 2 is more concentration than the test tube 1. Then filtering on both test tube using filter paper, seen filter on the test tube 1 is purple and filtered on the tube 2 is green. This indicates the formation of manganese compound 4 in the test tube 2 because as I know is now the color green is a sign of the typical color of manganese 4 based on the reaction equation. And next, by using the electrode potential, it can be determined whether manganese compound 6 can be prepared by reacting manganese 7 and manganese 4 in an acid solution. In the manufacture of manganese compound 6 in an alkaline solution product the same color with the color before mixing but more dark purple. By using the electrode potential, it can be determined whether manganese compound 6 can be prepared by reacting manganese 7 and manganese 4 in alkaline solution. Reaction to product manganese compound 6 is allowed in an alkaline solution. This is because the price of the electrode potential in alkaline solution is smaller than in acid solution. The smaller the electrode potential price, the greater the reaction might take place by increase the concentration of X plus or manganese oxide and will not increase the likelihood of the manufacture of manganese compound 6 because the manganese compound 6 can be made in the solution less acidic. By increasing the concentration of hydrox or manganese oxide and will increase the likelihood of the manufacture of manganese compound 6 because the manganese compound 6 can be made in alkaline solution. In the preparation of compounds of manganese 3 was formed using manganese sulfate as much 0.5 grams solid were then treated with sulfuric acid 1 molar 2 ml then add about 10 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid which serve to create an atmosphere in manganese alkaline. Then add 5 drops potassium manganese oxide drop 0.1 molar. The results obtained in this experiment are brown color solution and deposit. Then put in 50 ml of distilled water. The result obtained in brown solution without sediment. This experiment can be identified by using identified that the solution is a compound of manganese 3. By using the electrode potential, it can be determined whether the compound of manganese 3 can be prepared by reacting manganese 2 and manganese 4 in acidic solution. By using the electrode potential, it can be determined whether the compound of manganese 3 can be prepared by reacting a manganese 2 and manganese 4 in alkaline solution. Direction to form compounds of manganese 3 is more likely in acid solution. This is because the price of electrode potential in acidic solution is smaller than in alkaline solution. The smaller the electrode potential price, the greater the reaction might take place. By increasing the concentration of X plus or mangan plus will increase the likelihood of the preparation of compounds of manganese 3. For compounds of manganese 3 can be prepared in an acidic solution. This concentration of hamid will not increase the likelihood of the preparation of compounds of manganese 3. For compounds of manganese 3 cannot be made in alkaline solution. F. Conclusion. From the result of the practicum, it can be concluded for making manganese 6 marked by a change in the color of the solution from purple to green. So, a positive reaction from the formation of manganese 6 occurs in an alkaline atmosphere. The experiment of making manganese 3 marked by the presence of clear color change to brown. So, a positive reaction from the formation of manganese 3 occurring in an acid atmosphere. Okay, that's the presentation of the material of Module 6. Sorry if there are misspelling. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.